Welcome back to another exciting episode of our channel. Today, we have something special for you. We're going to dive deep into the realm of dreams and show you the 10 practical steps to turn your dreams into reality. Welcome to AJ's Info. Let's achieve success together. Step 1. Visualize your dream. The first step towards turning your dream into reality is to visualize it. Take some time to imagine what your dream looks like, feels like, and even smells like. Visualize every detail, as this will create a powerful mental image and help you stay motivated throughout the journey. J.K. Rowling, the author of the Harry Potter series, faced numerous rejections before finding success. She went through personal struggles and financial difficulties, but she never gave up on her dream of becoming a published author. Her perseverance led to one of the most beloved book franchises in the world. Make visualization a regular practice. Set aside time each day to immerse yourself in your visualized dream. Visualization works best when you genuinely believe that your dream is attainable. Cultivate a positive mindset and believe in your own potential to make your dream a reality. Step 2. Define clear goals. Now that you have a vivid picture of your dream, it's time to define clear and specific goals. Break down your dream into smaller, achievable milestones. This will make your journey more manageable and give you a sense of progress along the way. Serena Williams, one of the greatest tennis players of all time, faced numerous challenges and doubters throughout her career. Despite injuries, setbacks, and criticism, she never let anything deter her from pursuing her passion and becoming an undisputed champion. Clear goals provide a clear direction and focus for your actions. They serve as a compass, guiding you through challenges and distractions. By defining clear goals, you create a roadmap that helps you make deliberate choices and stay on track toward turning your dreams into reality. Step 3. Create an action plan. Goals without a plan are merely wishes. To transform your dreams into reality, you need a well-defined action plan. Outline the steps you need to take, set deadlines, and allocate resources. Remember, a solid plan will keep you focused and accountable. Creating an action plan provides structure, organization, and clarity to your journey. It helps you break down your goals into actionable steps, keeps you accountable, and increases your chances of success. Step 4. Embrace failure as a learning opportunity. Failure is an inevitable part of the journey to success. Embrace it as a learning opportunity, rather than a setback. Every failure brings you one step closer to your dreams by teaching you valuable lessons. Don't let fear of failure hold you back. Steve Jobs, co-founder of Apple Incorporated, was fired from his own company in the 1980s. However, he didn't let that setback define him. He returned to Apple years later and revolutionized the technology industry with iconic products like the iPhone and iPad. His resilience and ability to bounce back from failure are an inspiration to many. Failure is not something to be ashamed of or avoided at all costs. It is an integral part of the journey to success. By embracing failure as a learning opportunity, you transform setbacks into stepping stones and equip yourself with the knowledge, resilience, and determination needed to achieve your dreams. Step 5. Develop a growth mindset. Cultivate a growth mindset. Believe that you can learn, adapt, and improve. Embrace challenges, persist in the face of setbacks, and be open to feedback. A growth mindset empowers you to overcome obstacles and continuously develop yourself. A growth mindset fosters a love for learning and a belief in the power of continuous education and self-improvement. You embrace the idea that there is always more to learn, and you actively seek out opportunities to expand your knowledge, acquire new skills, and broaden your perspectives. By embracing a growth mindset, you unlock your potential, embrace challenges, and continually strive for personal and professional growth. Step 6. Develop discipline and consistency. Consistency is essential for long-term success. Develop discipline to stay committed to your goals even when motivation wanes. Create daily habits and routines that align with your vision. Stay focused, motivated, and committed to the actions required to bring your dreams to life. Developing discipline and consistency is a process that takes time and effort. It requires commitment, self-awareness, and a strong mindset. By cultivating these qualities and implementing strategies to support discipline and consistency, you'll create a solid foundation for achieving your goals and turning your dreams into a reality. Kobe Bryant's discipline and consistency were instrumental in his success and cemented his legacy as one of the basketball greats. His commitment to daily practice, preparation, mental toughness, and continuous improvement serves as an inspiring example of how discipline and consistency can lead to remarkable achievements. Step 7. Surround yourself with like-minded people. Surrounding yourself with like-minded people can have a significant impact on your personal growth, motivation, and the attainment of your goals. Like-minded individuals share similar aspirations, values, and goals. When you surround yourself with such people, you find a sense of community and support. They understand your journey and can provide encouragement, advice, and guidance. Surrounding yourself with like-minded people doesn't mean surrounding yourself with clones or identical perspectives. It's about finding individuals who share similar values, aspirations, and a growth-oriented mindset. Together, you can create a supportive and uplifting environment that propels everyone towards their dreams and fosters personal and collective growth. Step 8. Overcome self-doubt. Self-doubt can be a dream killer. Acknowledge your fears and insecurities, but don't let them define you. Challenge negative thoughts and replace them with positive affirmations. Believe in yourself and your ability to make your dreams a reality. Overcoming self-doubt is a process that requires patience and self-reflection. By challenging negative thoughts, building confidence, seeking support, and taking consistent action, you can gradually diminish self-doubt and cultivate a belief in your abilities to turn your dreams into reality. Step 9. Stay resilient. In the pursuit of turning your dreams into reality, staying resilient is essential. Resilience allows you to bounce back from setbacks, overcome challenges, and stay committed to your path, even when the going gets tough. Throughout this journey, you'll experience a range of emotions that will test your resilience. Nelson Mandela, the former president of South Africa, fought against apartheid and spent 27 years in prison for his beliefs. After his release, he led his country through a peaceful transition and worked towards reconciliation. His unwavering dedication to justice and equality made him a global symbol of resilience and forgiveness. As you navigate the ups and downs of turning your dreams into reality, remember to stay resilient. Embrace the emotions that arise, knowing they are part of the journey. Trust in your abilities, be kind to yourself, and keep pushing forward. The road may be challenging, but with resilience, you have the power to overcome anything and bring your dreams to life. Step 10. Gratitude. In the final step of turning your dreams into reality, it's crucial to cultivate gratitude. Gratitude is a powerful emotion that can transform your perspective, enhance your well-being, and deepen your connection to the journey. Every challenge, setback, and success along the way has been a valuable teacher. Embrace the lessons learned, both big and small. Express gratitude for the wisdom gained, acknowledging how each experience has shaped you into a stronger and wiser individual. Gratitude reminds you of the beauty and abundance that surround you, empowering you to continue moving forward with a grateful heart. Embrace gratitude, and let it illuminate your path as you transform your dreams into a beautiful reality. As we conclude this transformative journey from dream to reality, remember that you hold within you the power to create a life filled with purpose and fulfillment. Thanks for watching this video. If you find this knowledgeable, share with others. Do like and subscribe the channel. May your path be illuminated by the light of your dreams, and may you continue to create a life that reflects the depth of your passions and the limitless potential within you. Your dream is waiting, go forth and make it a reality.